Hello traders, this is Day Trader Matt here, and welcome to Sunday market analysis for the 13th of April. And I think it's going to be a very interesting week next week. I always look at the markets as very fascinating, so I know every week is very fascinating to me, but I do believe it's going to be interesting as far as where price is actually headed to. I do believe that over the next month or so, this price will go lower. It's just the question of how it is going to go lower, and that's basically what I'm looking at. If this thing does move lower, and preferably like to see a gap down Sunday, Monday, maybe to the 1793, 1780, somewhere in there, then I would think that this thing stays below 1820 and heads even lower. If this thing does start to support here, which this is a support that I've been looking at for many weeks now, 1813 to 1800, and from there, if it gets over that 1820 level, and it's going to have to get over 1830 as well, then I would expect this to come up a little more over 1850, somewhere between 1856 and 1867. Somewhere in there is pretty good resistance, and then I would look from that area a rollover and for the market to come lower. Obviously, if it does get over here, it's going to chop around a little bit and take a little bit longer to get down. If it does move lower, we'll look for it to stay low and move lower. So ultimately, I do think lower. It's just a question of how it's going to actually proceed lower. If it's going to come up a little more before, or if it's just going to continue lower. Right now, I don't really have a lot of clarification on anything at the moment. If it does continue this support that it's showing here, it can come up a little bit, and we do want to watch that 1830 level very closely. Break above, and it does have the potential to come up here. Like I said, if it stays below that 1820 level, it can come back down and definitely get weaker. But I do believe that we will find out what it's doing Sunday or Monday is what I'm thinking. So it's definitely going to be very interesting. I always update videos like this. I always update the charts every day in the for the trading room members and the swing trading members. Sunday night is just something I get to do. This is how I analyze the market. So I've gotten a lot of great feedback, but if you guys have any suggestions, comments, feel free. You can place them under the video, or you can email me directly, support@abusinesswithtrading.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your Sunday. Have an awesome week, and I'll see you back here in the next video. Thank you.